another Citizen Science 101 video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the different kits here at the library that you can check out. What's in them? How do you use them? We're going to go over all of that information right now. First up is our Measuring the Light in the Night Sky Citizen Science Kit. We have 5 of these kits available for checkout. Inside, you'll find everything you need to do this experiment and collect the data for the project that you will be assisting on. Let's take a look inside. When you first check out your Citizen Science Kit, you'll notice that everything is in this really cool clear backpack. We have all the materials you need right here. First, in our folder, you will find instructions for the sky quality meter and the globe at night data sheet. You'll use this data sheet to record all your observations and data when doing the project. We made sure to laminate our instructions so they're easy to use and aren't able to be destroyed as quickly. So for the instructions of the actual project, you will find those laminated and on a binder ring for easy usage. Here, I'm just going to go through what those instructions look like, and as you can see, it includes all the relevant information and links you need to complete this project. It even includes a picture of what's inside our kit today. Next up are 2 planispheres. We have one for the 30 to 40 degree latitude and the 40 to 50 degree latitude, as Bristol is actually right on the 40 degree mark. How cool! So these should be able to help you guide what you see in the night sky when you're out exploring wherever you are with this kit. Next up is National Geographic's Backyard Guide to the Night Sky. This is the latest edition. Inside the book, you'll find all the items and elements you might see in the night sky while you're out using this kit. Even though our experiment primarily focuses on measuring light pollution, that doesn't mean you can't stargaze or search the night sky while you're out there doing our experiment. Next up is this Field Guide to Citizen Science. This is a great book if you're a beginner to citizen science, and if you're looking to up-level your citizen scientist skills. I definitely recommend checking it out. Next, you'll find this field book where you can write down any observations you make while doing the experiment. Now, on to the fun stuff. This little instrument here is actually a flashlight, but it's not just any ordinary flashlight. It's a red LED flashlight. That's right, when you turn this bad boy on, it turns red, and you're going to be able to use this when collecting data and measuring light pollution in the sky. Alright, now onto the most important part of this kit. This right here is the sky quality meter. This is the instrument you're going to use to take your measurements. When you're outside, wherever that may be, you're going to use this device, set it to the right settings, hit the start button, and point it upward to collect your measurements. Feel free to take a few different types of measurements while you're doing this experiment as you're getting a feel for using this device. I cannot wait to see what you guys are able to find when using this kit. And that is everything in our Measuring the Light in the Night Sky kit. Next up, we have our Biodiversity Citizen Science kits. Again, we have 5 of these kits available for checkout. Inside, you'll find almost everything you need to complete the project. With this kit, you'll be able to document and record data about different animals and plant life in your natural environment. So that could be your backyard, it could be your local park, it could be around your school, wherever you like to explore in your community and in your neighborhood. Be sure to bring this kit with you and take some observations that you can then upload and share with scientists. Alright, let's take a look inside this kit. Alright, just like in the last kit, you will find a folder in our Exploring Biodiversity Kit that includes information you may need to complete the experiment. Also, you will find the instructions laminated and on a binder ring, just like in the last kit. Again, these instructions are easy to use and easy to understand. It includes all the pertinent links and information and directions for completing the project. We've also included additional directions for utilizing the iNaturalist link and app so that you have no issues uploading your observations to the project. Next up, we have this really awesome book about biodiversity. Not only does it explore that topic, but it also provides some additional activities and experiments if you want to do some more projects outside of the one included in this kit. definitely one to check out. Next up, we have another copy of a field guide to citizen science. Again, this is a great book to jump into when you're just starting out with citizen science and want to learn more about being a citizen scientist. The next item in our kit is actually a phone tripod. This is a great tool to use when you're trying to capture observations out in nature. It allows you to be more stable when taking photographs, or even to be farther away from the camera when you're trying not to disturb natural wildlife. Be sure to use this tool when you're trying to capture photographic data for your observations to upload to the iNaturalist project. You can see it also includes a clicker so you can be farther away, like I mentioned earlier. This kit also includes a field notebook for you to write down any observations you want to share with other citizen scientists who might be utilizing this kit. The last item in our kit is, again, our most important piece of equipment. This is a set of smartphone camera lenses. These are perfect for utilizing out when you're taking photographs of nature and animals in order to create great quality photographs, zoom in or zoom out, and to really capture what you're seeing in your environment. These lenses clip right onto your phone, so they're very easy to use and they're portable, making it easy to carry and take out into the natural world with you. I really hope you get a chance to use these to make your observations and data a lot more higher quality when uploading it to the project. And that's it. That's our biodiversity kit and everything included. I hope you enjoyed learning more about our citizen science kits here at the Grundy Library. I hope you get a chance to check these out, explore your natural environment, and to participate in citizen science. Stay tuned for our next and final video where we will be showcasing one of these kits in action. All right, see you then.